Everyone. Today we are going to look at the topic address calculation, which comes in class 11th and 12th. Address calculation is basically on double dimension arrays. Row major and column major, two types of formulas should be known to each and every student, so that whenever a question comes that we have to calculate the address of any row and column, row major wise or column major wise, we should be able to do it. This is the formula for row major, in which B plus W into M into I minus L1 plus J minus L2 is given. What is this B? B is the base address or the beginning address of the initial location. W is the number of bytes. I is the row and J is the column for which the address will be asked to be calculated. L1 and L2 are the lower bounds of your row and column which are present in the matrix, for which base address has already been given in the question. M is total number of columns. When you are asked to calculate with row major, always remember you have to use here the total number of columns which are present in your matrix. And if it comes in column major format, then formula is the same, but here J minus L2 is being multiplied with the total number of rows which are present in your matrix. So how are these calculated? Let's see how to calculate. First, let's look at a question. The question is that X is a two-dimensional array with 10 rows and 5 columns. So what is given? X is a matrix of 10 rows and 5 columns. Okay. Each element is stored in two memory locations. Two memory locations is W. If x1, 1 begins at address 150, 1, 1 here is the L1 and L2 or the lower bound of the row and column. So L1 is 1, L2 is 1. Begins at address 150 is base address. Find the location of x 3, 4. So here we have to find the address of 3, 4. That means I and J. I is 3, J is 4. So everything is available with us. But the total number of columns, the question does not say anything, row major or column major. If the question does not put a stress that calculate with this formula, you always have to use row major. So in this we will be using row major, in which total number of columns are required. And the matrix contains 5 columns. Now if we apply that formula of row major, it was base address 150 plus W into, yani ki 2 into, M into, M is 5 into, I is how much? 3, I minus L1. L1 is 1 plus J minus L2. J is 4, L2 is 1. Now if we calculate this, first we will calculate the inner part. This is 3. This is 2 into 5 is 10. This is 2 into, this becomes how much? 13 into 2 is how much? 26. And this is 150 plus. So 150 plus 26, which becomes 176. This is your answer. That means first of all, write down all the raw data that is required to apply your formula from the question. When you read the question, write down each and every part, that is this available with me, and then you will be able to calculate. But there are some other questions also which are something like confusing. Let's see that also. Like a question has come. A is a two-dimensional array as A minus 5 is to 5. That means your matrix is having this type of shape. And comma 1 is to 20. This is your matrix. Now this seems quite confusing. This is the rows and this is the column. How do we calculate the total rows and columns? There is only one formula. Total row and column mein upper bound plus lower bound, upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. So here upper bound in rows is 5, lower bound is minus 5 plus 1. So 5, so minus 5 minus minus 5 will become how much? Plus 10 plus 1 is 11. For columns, 20 is the upper bound, lower bound is 1 plus 1. So 19 plus 1 again becomes 20. So this is N and this is M. We look at the question, what is required? M is required or N is required, whether it is row major or column major. Now according to this question, if we want to make out which is the L1 and L2, from here itself in the row part minus 5 is L1 and L2 is 1. And base address that they have given is 100. W, each element is stored in 2 words, so W is 2. Calculate the location of minus 3 and 15. So I will be minus 3 and J will be 15, for which the formula has to be applied. Which formula? Row major or column major? Again the question does not stress anything. So we'll calculate it by row major. So row major mein our answer will be like this is 100 base address plus 2 into, again we require M, 20 into I minus L1 minus 3 minus 5 plus J 15 minus L2. So how much is this? Minus 3 plus 5 will become 2. 20 into 2 is 40. 15 minus 1 is 14. 2 into, and this is 100. So this is 54 into 2 is 108 plus 100, which becomes 208. This is your answer. Right? For column major, like questions can come. Each element of the array A minus 20 is to 20, 10 is to 35 requires 1 byte storage. If the array is stored in column major order, the question will clearly specify. Beginning location 500, determine the location of A, 0 and 30. So let's see our matrix. Matrix is A minus 20 is to 20. A minus 20 is to 20 and 10 comma 35. 10 is to 35. But since the question is saying column major, we require only to calculate the total number of rows. So as I told you the formula, upper limit minus lower limit plus 1. 20 minus 20 plus 1 will become 41. L1 is minus 20. L2 is 10. And question says the beginning location is 500, that is base address is 500. 1 byte storage in W. Determine the location of A, 0, comma 30. For what do we have to find out? For 0 and 30. So for this we will be applying the formula column major. Base address is 500 plus 1 into I minus L1, 0 minus 20 plus N into, N is 41 which I have calculated. 41 into J minus L2, 30 minus 10. So this is 41 into 20 is how much? 820. Plus this is plus 20. 0 minus 20 is 20. It becomes 840 into 1 is 840 plus 500, which gives you 1340. Right? But there are certain questions also in which we are unable to find out what is L1 and what is L2, and so we cannot apply the formula. Like there is a question, an array T15 by 10 is stored in the memory with each element requiring 2 bytes. If base address is T2000, let me show you the matrix structure. It is T15 by 10. My matrix has been given very clearly 15 by 10. And here they have said that the base address for this is 2000. And they are saying that W is required as 2 bytes. And you have to calculate the location of 7 by 8. I is 7 and J is 8. Now here it is, we are unable to find out the base address of which thing they have given, of 1 by 1 or 0 by 0. In such questions, you can take the L1 and L2 as 0 and 0 only. So we'll take L1 as 0 and L2 as 0. Now in this question, both the formulas have been asked, row major and column major, so you can apply it. I'll calculate by column major first. So base address is 2000 plus W is 2 into column major may I minus L1 is not going to be multiplied. For column major I require only rows, which is 15. So I is how much? 7. 7 minus 0, that means I minus L1. 15 into 8 minus 0, which becomes 120. Plus 7, 127 into 2, which becomes 254 plus 2000, which gives 2254 as the answer. So be clear, if nothing is given and even is to type of questions is not given directly, an array is given with a matrix is given of 15 by 10 and nothing is said that the base address is of which location, always consider the location to be 0, 0 for L1 and L2. So hope you have understood the various varieties of the questions that can come. And looking at this, even if base address is absent, you can easily calculate the base address if you are good at maths. So hope you have understood this, and we'll come up with more videos. Thank you.